Welcome to my channel. Computers interact with countless external devices every day, and understanding how they recognize these devices is essential for anyone who wants to expand their digital skills or better appreciate how modern technology works. In this video, you will learn how computers identify, process, and communicate with external hardware such as keyboards, mice, storage drives, printers, scanners, display monitors, and more. This journey will take you deep into the world of device drivers, operating system protocols, communication standards, and the incredible intelligence built into the devices themselves, all of which work together to make technology seamless and efficient. Computers begin recognizing external devices the moment you plug them in, thanks to built-in mechanisms that constantly monitor input and output ports. These ports include universal serial bus ports, high-definition multimedia interface ports, Thunderbolt ports, wireless adapters, and even Bluetooth channels. Every time you connect an external device physically or wirelessly, the computer instantly sends a signal through its operating system to check what type of device has been attached and whether it can communicate with it. This process happens in fractions of a second, even though it involves several layers of hardware and software communication. Once an external device is detected, the computer attempts to identify it using standardized communication protocols. These protocols are agreed-upon sets of rules that ensure devices from different manufacturers can communicate with different computer models and different operating systems. For example, a universal serial bus flash drive uses universal serial bus mass storage protocols, while a mouse uses human interface device protocols. These standardized instructions allow the operating system to categorize the device, assign it a function, and prepare it for use immediately after the connection is established. At the heart of this entire process are device drivers, which act as translators between the computer's hardware and the external device. A device driver is a small piece of software that knows how to make the computer understand what the device can do. Without the right driver, the computer may detect that something has been connected, but it might not know how to use it. Modern operating systems come with hundreds of built-in drivers so that most devices can work instantly without requiring manual installation. When a new device that requires a unique driver is connected, the operating system either retrieves the driver automatically or prompts the user to install it manually. Operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux have sophisticated plug-and-play systems designed to simplify how devices connect and operate. Plug-and-play means that the computer automatically configures the device without requiring the user to adjust system settings or install complex software. This seamless experience has become a technological standard, making the process of connecting devices effortless even for users with limited technical knowledge. Most modern computers complete this setup in seconds. Modern computers also use hardware identification numbers to recognize devices accurately. When an external device is connected, it sends a unique identification code to the operating system. This code includes the manufacturer identification, product identification, device class, and other essential details. These identifiers help the operating system determine which driver to assign and what communication rules to follow. This behind-the-scenes exchange happens instantly, allowing users to start working with the connected device right away. At this stage, if this video is interesting, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. And engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Computers also check the power requirements of external devices to ensure safe and stable connections. Some devices draw power directly from universal serial bus ports, while others need external power supplies. When a device that draws power from the computer is connected, the operating system evaluates the power request to ensure that the computer can provide the required amount. This prevents hardware damage and ensures that all connected devices receive consistent electrical support. Wireless devices follow a slightly different recognition process. Instead of sending identification data through physical circuits, they exchange digital signals through wireless channels. Bluetooth devices, for instance, broadcast discovery signals containing their identity, capabilities, and security requirements. The computer receives these signals and initiates a pairing process that verifies compatibility before establishing a stable wireless connection. This communication includes encryption to ensure privacy and protection from interference. Wi-Fi-enabled devices, such as wireless printers or smart displays, often rely on network protocols to establish communication with a computer. These devices use Internet Protocol addresses to identify themselves on the network, allowing the computer to detect and communicate with them just like it does with other network devices. This process ensures smooth data exchange without requiring cables or direct physical connections. Once a device is successfully recognized, the operating system assigns it a logical location within the computer's file system or device management structure. For example, a storage device may be assigned a drive letter or mount point, while an audio device may be assigned a playback or recording role within the sound settings. This allocation allows the operating system and applications to access and use the device effectively. Computers also constantly monitor the status of connected devices to detect any interruptions, errors, or disconnections. If a device stops responding, the operating system triggers a notification to alert the user. This monitoring system ensures smooth operation and prevents data loss or hardware conflicts. The entire process is so fast and efficient that most users are unaware of the complexity involved. In advanced scenarios, computers use firmware to help recognize external devices. Firmware is built-in software that controls the low-level functions of hardware components. External devices with firmware can communicate more intelligently with a computer by providing additional information about their settings, capabilities, and operational requirements. Firmware also allows devices to receive updates that improve performance or enable new features. Security protocols are another important part of how computers recognize external devices. Before allowing full access to a newly connected device, the operating system checks it for potential threats. For example, when a universal serial bus drive is connected, the computer may scan it for malicious code. This protective step prevents harmful programs from entering the system. Many modern computers also restrict access from unknown devices until the user grants permission. Some professional devices use specialized communication standards that require dedicated software and advanced drivers. For example, industrial equipment, medical machines, and audio production tools often rely on proprietary protocols that must be manually installed. Even though these devices may connect through common ports, their unique data structures require specialized drivers to function correctly. The process of recognizing external devices continues as the user interacts with the hardware. For example, when you type on a keyboard or click a mouse, the device sends packets of data to the computer in real time. The operating system converts these signals into actions on the screen. Similarly, when a printer receives a print command, it exchanges continuous status updates with the computer to ensure successful processing. All of this depends on the ability of the computer to recognize and communicate with the device accurately. Computers also keep logs of device activity to improve performance and troubleshoot issues. These logs provide details about connection history, driver usage, error detection, and power management. When something goes wrong, technicians can review these logs to diagnose the problem and determine whether a driver update, cable replacement, or system configuration change is needed. In cloud-connected environments, computers may rely on cloud-based databases to identify and configure external devices. Some operating systems automatically fetch device information from online resources, ensuring that even new or uncommon devices can be recognized instantly. This cloud integration has further simplified device connectivity and reduced the need for manual setup. The combination of plug-and-play technology, standardized protocols, device drivers, firmware, and security systems makes it possible for computers to interact with virtually any external device smoothly. This interconnected ecosystem allows users to expand their capabilities endlessly, whether they are adding storage, enhancing audio quality, boosting productivity, or exploring new types of digital experiences. The future promises even more advanced recognition technologies, especially as artificial intelligence and machine learning become integrated into operating systems and external devices. Smarter devices will be able to communicate more efficiently, adapt to user preferences, and update themselves automatically. These innovations will further reduce the technical barriers between humans and machines, making computers even more intuitive and powerful. Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Also, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Visit my channel to watch more helpful videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe now before visiting my channel to watch my other helpful videos.